one brought the children you want. There you are. In Africa here, even by the age of 4, you learn how to fight. This is our tradition. If you don't know, fight with sticks, with a spear, with arrows. That's the tradition. So if you are trying to think that this may disorient them psychologically and so on, that is not the case. They are never deployed until the right age, but they learn the skills of warfare.
Hoping that we would capture arms in Kabamba when we attacked, because those were guns we had kept there after the Fronasa War, after the 1979 war.
General Elly Tumwine, in the negotiations with the guards at the quarter guard, I think they didn't understand each other. There was a misunderstanding which we didn't know where it originated, but at least General Tumwine fired the bullet. And when he fired this bullet, the corporal, the Tanzanian corporal who was guarding the Amra, rushed into the Amra.
Kwa hiyo, kwa mfano Karuma, karibu siku 10, tuko karibu pale, tunasonga pole pole, mpaka adui mwenyewe anachoka juu ya kupambana na ubozi, lakini mpango ndio ilikuwa mbaya.
Many died, by the way, of those with whom we started. Like those of the 27 or the 41. Those who died, those who were injured, those who suffered, did not suffer for nothing.
Yeah, I believe that they died for a justifiable cause. It's been betrayed, but that doesn't negate the issue of them having died for a cause that they believed in, which we all believed in, which to me I think was a correct cause. I think gradually as the president became more and more confronted with the issue of having to move out of the political system and operate from outside of it, and new people come up in leadership, I think he failed to meet that challenge front on.
So I think it's a gross betrayal, both of the politics that informed the founding of NRA, and certainly there is gross mismanagement and misdirection of the UPDF.
I don't think we have lost focus. It would be very unfair for anybody in Uganda to say that NRM has lost focus. These comrades of ours who have decided to leave lack discipline and they lack patience.